Hello, good evening. I hope you are all doing well. Today is day 5 of our 21-day English speaking practice. I hope you are practicing with me, enjoying the process and improving your English day by day. Today I have chosen a random topic and the topic is my hobbies. Everyone has different topics, different hobbies. Someone likes reading books, some enjoy listening and music, someone likes sports and cricket, someone likes traveling. Many people also enjoy enjoy learning new things. Now, let me talk about my hobbies. I always encourage myself and others to learn new things. As a as a software engineer, I currently work at Tech Mahindra. I have around 6 years of experience as a Python backend developer. Apart from that, on weekend I enjoy playing cricket with my friends. I also love spending time with children. Sometimes I go shopping and buy chocolates and also small gifts for them. It gives feel happiness and satisfaction. I always try to play. I always try to stay positive mindset and motivate others as well. And also, uh, every time, uh, every time try to learn new things. And so also I help to others. And also sometimes I also suggested some people to grow his her career. That's my hobbies. That's all for today. I hope you are enjoying this 21-day English speaking practice. Don't get demotivated. Just putting a little bit efforts every day. I am also learner. I s- I spend I put some time every day reading, writing, listening, watching conversational video, and create small video also. That will be benefit in myself and you also. Thank you. Bye bye. I will meet tomorrow.